Now let's talk about Napoleon Hill's principle number 9, which is masterminds and how to put it into action. At its simplest, it's basically just organizing groups of like-minded individuals, hopefully peers, that meet regularly. And this can be free or paid, meaning you can do this as a business because it can be a profitable business because people pay to get in, and it's only like a 1 hour a week or a little bit more investment of time. So this can be a good business, but we're not really talking about that. We are talking about it from the perspective of actually being helpful to the members. So what happens is the members meet weekly at an agreed upon time, usually for an hour, to discuss developments, but largely each week the focus and spotlight is on one member and helping that one member. But the thing is that everyone learns because generally the people in the masterminds are in the same niche. For example, if I'm an author, I'd meet with other authors. Even better, if I'm a fiction author, I'd meet with other fiction authors in a mastermind. That would be very powerful because all of us are working through the same challenges, working against the same competitors, and if we can collectively draw our brains and help each other, that will make each of us stronger. And even though it might seem that we're also competitors against each other, and that is true, we are in a little bit of a competition, but also cooperation. And together, we'll beat all the other competitors because we'll progress that much faster. And that's really the tremendous power of masterminds. But if you don't want a formal one, it can be informal, and it can be as simple as just organizing a few like-minded friends or in a group that meets regularly. It doesn't have to be as focused as only nonfiction authors. It can be just people who are interested in starting a business and first-time entrepreneurs, because first-time entrepreneurs often struggle with the same issues as well. So that's essentially the long and short of masterminds. There is, of course, more on this topic, but that at least can give you an idea of how to organize it. And you can attempt to organize it starting this week. Call up a few, maybe 2 or 3 of your friends that you know are interested in entrepreneurship and say, hey, every Monday evening, we're going to a coffee shop. We're talking about it. We're working on each other's challenges. We're creating a mastermind. Now, some people will say yes, but they'll flake. But some people will not flake. And you will create a good mastermind, and that will run continuously and will help you tremendously with your business.